Set clear objectives. Define specific, achievable goals for each study session. A clear purpose will keep you focused and help you prioritize essential topics. Use active learning techniques. Engage with the material actively by taking notes, summarizing key points in your own words, or teaching concepts to someone else. Active learning enhances retention and understanding. Create a study schedule. Develop a well-structured timetable that allocates time for each subject or topic. This will ensure you cover all issues while avoiding burnout. Take regular breaks. Break your study sessions into manageable chunks and take short breaks in between. This approach prevents mental fatigue and allows your brain to process information effectively. Utilize technology and resources. Leverage educational apps, online resources, and interactive tools to reinforce your learning experience. Digital tools can make studying more engaging and efficient. Practice with past exams and quizzes. Test yourself regularly using past exams or quizzes to assess your progress and identify areas that need improvement. This practice builds confidence and helps you understand the exam format better. Thank you for watching this Gurukulprep video.